What's going on, guys? Chris here from C4 Armory, SHOT Show 2025. I'm here with Daniel from SanTan Tactical. We have some new rifle offerings out, and he's going to be telling us about them. Daniel?
Yeah, so this is our new Patrol Series line. We kind of wanted to move into the tactical rifle space and kind of away from just kind of the range rifles. So we kind of went back to basics, tore the rifle down to components, and eliminated about 85% of what we were doing and started completely over. The rifles, so we'll just go back to front here. B5 system stocks. We do offer these in SBR links as well as pistols, or an SB tactical brace. There's an A5 system, which we make the tube in-house, the buffer in-house. We buy the spring. We use a castle nut produced in-house with some additional changes to the way it's done so that you have correct clocking. We have rounded staking holes. Kind of no point in using a rounded punch to put material into a square hole. So we have that. Our end plate receivers, upper and lower, we still make those in-house just like everything else. Bolt carrier group features a DLC bolt body with 3 vents for gas, sand cuts, dual ejector bolt head, spring coat everything on the inside, Permatex red gasket between the gas key and the bolt body, and a OCKS screw to make sure that gas key stays in place. Produced in-house wedge lock rails, and gassed appropriately for suppressor use, as well as the new CMC mil-spec style trigger.
Fantastic. And this is moving out of the sporting rifle into the hard-use rifle territory now. So that's what these are being geared towards.
Yep.
So real workhorses and equipment and items that are well-built, that are meant to be run hard.
Yeah.
So that's the direction that we're moving now, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, Daniel, I appreciate your time.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right, guys, check out SanTan Tactical.